Welcome back! Today on Dialed In DIY, I have a really fun project that's great for some games or just blowing off some steam. In past blowgun or projectile kind of projects that I've shown, I've had a lot of sharp or really potentially dangerous projectiles that are not safe for using inside. Today's a different story. We've got a fun one in the style of Nerf that has been a great family fun time for me ever since the first time I made one. And that previous project was making these stadium horns using PEX pipe. Well, we got to playing around with them a little bit and added in some stuff that I'd used in a gag gift and came up with a really fun indoor blowgun. For the barrel of the blowgun, I'm using 1/2-inch PEX pipe, and I'm gonna open up the end a little bit just like we did to make the mouthpiece for the stadium horn. Although you don't have to expand it to make the mouthpiece, there are some great benefits. One of them is a safety benefit, but there's two other benefits that are purely functional. By creating the funnel-like shape at the end, it actually is really easy to load quick, and it's much easier to get a good solid fitting around your mouth when you want to put some pressure behind it and launch it across a room. And since we went ahead and made it easier to load fast, we should definitely make it easier to get ammo quickly. So, we're going to make an ammo holder that goes right on the barrel of the blowgun. Our ammo is this basic kind of an earplug that you can roll between your fingers to get inserted into the ear, and it happens to fit just perfectly inside a 1/2-inch piece of PEX. So I grabbed a red piece of the 1/2-inch PEX and cut off 7 pieces, each 1/2 inch long. And I'm going to go ahead and glue those with hot glue around a piece of 3/4 inch PEX that I cut to about 1.5 inches long. And now it's time for the basic obligatory warning that comes with any kind of a blowgun project. Use appropriate supervision and safety methods. Although this is much like a Nerf kind of a device, you still want to make sure to protect your eyes and anything else that may be in the path of your projectiles. Now, you may have noticed earlier that the 3/4 inch PEX slides really easily over that 1/2-inch PEX, so I'm taking some duct tape and wrapping a piece around the barrel of the blowgun. Once I put the ammo holder down over it, it will stay in place and not slide off unless I really want to take it back off. So there you have it, a really easy to make but really fun blowgun that you can use indoors. It has a nice mouthpiece that makes it easier to get some pressure on. You can put an extra barrel tip on there just much the same way you put the ammo holder in place, and you're ready to go have a good time and start taking some target practice. Here's that extra advantage of making the mouthpiece the way we did. You can put your mouth up to it just like you're blowing a horn, purse your lips, and blow. That helps to actually reduce the risk of an inhalation hazard also. This is a lot of fun, but don't let the foam ammo totally fool you. With enough practice, you can get some serious power behind this, enough that you need to be careful about what you're shooting it at. If you're interested, I have some other kind of blowgun projects that you can make out of stuff you might already have around the house. And there's the stadium horn project that started the whole idea for this indoor blowgun project. You can check those out in the links in the description below. Thank you so much for stopping by Dialed In DIY today to check out this blowgun project. I hope you enjoyed it or got a little something out of it. And if you did, please let me know by clicking that thumbs up below. Also, I'd love it if you'd subscribe, share the video, or share your comments. Either way, I hope you check out some of my other videos, and as always, come on back, because there will be plenty more Dialed In DIY to come.